You've been at the helm of this for quite a long time. Tell us about the Institute.
We pioneered the marketplace for medical aesthetics training. A lot of people don't know. They think, God, well, to be a cosmetic laser tech, I probably have to go to school for years and be a doctor or nurse or estheticians. You don't. After just a 2-week training program at National Laser Institute, you can become a cosmetic laser tech and out there in the working world, regardless of your background.
This is a twofold because you will train in 2 weeks. So someone is now getting hands-on training. What kind of training are you giving them?
It's a 2-week program. It's 5 days of intensive classroom education with 13 different instructors that you're learning the ABCs of safety, safety, safety.
Okay.
Then it's 10 straight days of clinical.
What about job placement?
So they go through the 2-week program and learn services like laser hair removal for permanent hair reduction, photofacial skin rejuvenation like I did in my head, laser tattoo removal, cool sculpting, body contouring. We've got a graduate services department that sends out between 500 and 600 job leads per month nationwide of all these employers looking to interview somebody.
Right, and they're waiting for you.